everyone, I hope you are all doing well. Today I would like to show you a recipe for lemongrass chicken. It's a very simple recipe. You can also watch the time together to see how long does this take me. This is a very favorite recipe of my husband and myself. So let me just tell you what ingredients will we need for this. So we will need some chicken breast, lemongrass. I will use garlic, yellow onion, you can use shallot. I will use some spring onions, coriander leaves. Then I have cumin, ground cumin. I have ground coriander. We will need some lime. We will need coconut milk, some jasmine rice, and I will also use a little bit of sugar. I like using the coconut palm sugar, but you can use regular sugar for that too. And then we will be doing some blending, so I have the hand blender. Well, let me start preparing the paste by chopping some garlic and onion. So now I have chopped 3 big cloves of garlic and I'll add it to my dish. I also chopped half a yellow onion. Make sure you chop it finely. Then I took a bunch of coriander, including the stems, and I chopped those. Then I'm gonna add 1 spoon of the ground coriander. So 1 spoon, approximately 1 teaspoon, and 1 spoon of the cumin seeds, approximately like this. And then I washed the slime, and I'm gonna use a fork to get the juice out. So squeezing it from, we'll start with half of the lime and see how it tastes later on. And I will grab the sugar, or in my case the coconut palm sugar, and I will already add 1 teaspoon, heaped teaspoon to my mixture. And now I blend everything together. So now I made the paste. I have 3 smaller pieces of chicken breast. So the amount that I'm showing you is for like 2 chicken breasts or 3 smaller ones. And I will just cut them into cubes. I also prepared the lemongrass, so I took the whole stem, peeled the top layer off and just cut it into pieces like this and then split it in half. So like that. Now I will show you how I put everything together to make the chicken with the sauce. So now I have put 1 large spoon of the coconut oil in my pot and let it melt. And as soon as it's melted and warmed up, I will add the paste. So we're gonna saute the mixture first. You can also like throw a little bit in there when you see it's already sizzling. That means the oil is ready. And let's just add all of this in. My dog is in there like, Helen, kom move, sweetie. Move, move, move. Helen. And let's saute this for a few minutes now. Before we add the chicken in the pot. You don't have to mix it all the time, but make sure every few seconds you give it a mix, so we have no pieces, no parts burning in the pot. Now you see that it's already changing color a little bit. It's getting more brown from the bright green that we had earlier, which means that it's ready to add the chicken on. So let me put the chicken in the pot. It already smells really nice. Let me spread it a little bit and coat it tiny, and now I add salt, because we haven't added any salt to the mixture yet. So let me add that, and let's coat the chicken with the salt and the mixture. Keep it on high and let's saute the chicken just when we see that it turns from the pink to the white color. So then the chicken closes up and it keeps the juices in. So let's do this for a few minutes. So now you see that the chicken's getting a color and it's ready for the coconut milk to be added. So just add 1 package of the coconut milk. We can turn it down now. And I will now add the lemongrass in the mixture too. So now we have the coconut milk in. Let it sizzle for approximately 20 minutes. We'll cover it and start working on the rice. Now cook the rice. So prepare the rice according to the instructions that are on your package. What I like to do is to add a small piece of butter to our rice. The butter gives it a nice flavor. So let's boil the rice. Let me check the chicken. So it's sizzling a little too much. Make sure it's just sizzling a little bit. And let's continue cooking this. So now it's time to taste the sauce and see if there's anything missing that you would like to add. And this is your own preference, so make sure you don't burn your tongue. Okay, for me it doesn't need anything. If you're not happy with the taste, add either more lime juice or a little bit more sugar or a little bit more salt. I think these would be the only 3 things possibly missing. Now I'm putting the spring onion on top just for a little bit extra flavor and decoration, and the fresh coriander leaves. And this is my final dish, lemongrass chicken. Bon appetit!